Okay, I don't know what it even is other than a Honda. Slav Honda.
Alright guys, welcome back to BA Performance. Today we're going to be working on this 1980 Honda XL250s. I got this from a person at work. They didn't want to put into it what it takes, so and we couldn't find all the OEM parts for them, so we found we bought it and we're going to put some eBay parts on it.
Tell them how many miles are on it.
Yeah, so this has 351.7 miles on it, so
it's not much.
Pretty much like brand new.
From 1980.
1980, yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah, so I already put some gas in it and heard it fire over once, so I know it does that. Instead of cleaning out the carburetor, I found one for 50 bucks, so we're just going to try to put a brand new carburetor on it.
What else is wrong with it?
The front brakes, one of the pads has totally separated from the brakes, so I got some new shoes for that. The front tire is flat, so I got a new tube for that. We'll have to clean some of the rust out of the front drum there. And then this brake lever here is totally broken right off.
Yeah, JB Weld. We have some left over to JB Weld.
So we're going to take some of the body panels off, see what it takes to get to the carburetor, try and change that. And we're also going to the throttle sticks, so we're going to take that apart and lube it and probably fix this brake lever right away.
Alright, let's see where we get with it.
You guys can see here that we popped off the tank, the seat, took the airbox cover off, and the other plastic on that side. And we also took out the air filter. As you can see, this thing is really bad. So I'm gonna see if I can find something to replace this with. Maybe I can just use the air compressor and blow all this old foam off and refoam wrap it or something. And then took the old carburetor out, which is simple, just a hose clamp here, and then the choke cable on this side, and then the two throttle cables on this side. And you can see there how the throttle cables are hooked up. So the throttle is still sticking. And I turn it, it just sticks. So I guess I'm going to take this back apart, see what I can figure out in there. It's pretty hard to hook up both cables at the same time. Maybe we'll just cut her back down to a single cable. Anyways, I did get it started with the new carburetor on it, so we'll cut to that clip. Alright guys, should fire up. Got a new carburetor in it. Yeah. Oop. Try that again.
Oh,
yeah. Well, first time it's been running in, I don't know, who knows how many years. The carburetor in, throttle still sticks wide open, so we're going to do that. Yeah, sweet. So, I'm going to take that apart. It is just two Phillips head screws there. What I did here was, let's see, turn the light down a little bit. I took the top cable off of the throttle and left the bottom one on there, and now I seem to be able to twist the throttle easy and it snaps back pretty good. So there's still some free play in it here, so I'm going to tighten this one up here and see if I can get rid of that free play there, or some of it anyway. Okay, all of the slack is pretty much out of there. As you can see, it's working just fine. So next thing I'm going to do is replace this brake lever. I couldn't find a black one, but you know, that's easy fix. So we got this China one here. Very light, so hopefully it holds up. We're gonna go ahead and stick that on. Is to pop the cable through the slot. Obviously this one's broken, others we do the next step first. So you can take that off and then take the bolt out of here. And then putting the new one on, what we'll do is put the cable in first. And of course this China shit is not a perfect fit, so we'll have to get our file out and make that fit. Alright, the one that I think is for the other side seems to fit perfectly fine. So either this is supposed to be up, or we're running it upside down, because who cares, as long as it works. He's snoring. Right here, that bushing is slightly a different size. Right there, the bushing inside there, so we're gonna have to drill it out a little bit bigger. Out the bushing there, so there's hardly any left now, but if it wears out, whatever, get another one off eBay for $5. So, yeah, this fits in there now. I put a little dab of grease, you can probably see it there. Let's try and put it in again. Okay, we have a working brake lever again. Alright, I think we'll throw the gas can back on it, kick it over and see if it fires up, see if we have some throttle action. Here it's sucking air in.
Probably needs to warm up quite a bit. It's cold out.
tuned for the next episode where we fix the tires, the brakes, and a few other things to get this thing minty.
We have stickers available. There's a link in the description. So this is our holographic BA Performance logo sticker. Very cool sticker. Won't find them anywhere else. Dope. And we have a new sticker. Don't have as many of them, but this is our clappers only sticker. Let's see if we can show it there. Yeah, so we got a cool trash panda here, and he loves clappers. And yeah, it's our clapper only sticker. If you guys like clappers and trash pandas, you know, that's the sticker for you.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.